Hello everyone, I am Anina Abraham. Here we are going to discuss about merge sort. Actually, what is merging? Merging means combining the records into two different sorted files into a single sorted file. The strategy for merge sort is used as divide and conquer strategy. As we all know, most of the algorithms are used this technique. It works by breaking down a problem into two or more subproblems of sample type until these became enough to be solved directly. The solutions to the subproblems are then combined to give a solution to the original problem. Divide and conquer concept. As we say that merge sort is based on divide and conquer concept, then what is it? In computer science, divide and conquer is an algorithm design based on multi-branch recursion. A divide and conquer algorithm works by recursively breaking down a problem into two or more subproblems of the same or related type until these become simple enough to be solved directly. There are mainly three steps for divide and conquer strategy. The first one is divide the problem into a number of subproblems. The second one is conquer the subproblems by solving them recursively. The third one is combine the solutions to the subproblems into a solution for the original one. Here we are coming to our topic merge sort. Merge sort is a divide and conquer algorithm based on the idea of breaking down a list into several sublists until each sublist consists of a single element and merging those sublists in a manner that results into a sorted list. Divide the unsorted list into n sublists, each containing one element. Take adjacent pairs of two singleton lists and merge them to form a list of two elements. Now n will convert into n by 2 list of size 2. Repeat the process till a single sorted list of obtained. While comparing two sublists for merging, the first element of both lists is taken into consideration. While sorting in ascending order, the element that is of a lesser value becomes a new element of the sorted list. This procedure is repeated until both the smaller sublists are empty and the new combined sublist comprises all the elements of both the sublist. Here we can take an example to understand the merge sort very easily. Here we take an unsorted array consists of 8 elements. The elements are 14, 33, 27, 10, 35, 19, 42, 44. Here there are 8 elements. We know that merge sort first divides the whole array iteratively into equal halves unless the atomic values are achieved. That means, which are the steps that include in our divide and conquer strategy? The first one is divide the problem into its subproblems. That means divide the 8 elements into its half, that we get 2 sublists containing of 4 elements. Then solve the problem. At last combine the problems. So we get the final sorted list. Coming to our problem, we divide them into each parts until they become a single element. First we divide them into 2 equal parts having 4 elements each. This is the first sublist and this is the second sublist. According to our divide and conquer strategy, again we divide it into another sublist. Here, this is the first sublist, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one that consists of only 2 elements. Again we divide them into a single element. Here we get 14 as a single element, 33 as a single element, and up to 44 as a single element. By our divide and conquer strategy, we are going to solve them according to our algorithm. We first compare the element for each list and then combine them into another list in a sorted manner. We see that 14 and 33 are in sorted positions. We compare 27 and 10 and in the Target's list of 2 values, we put 10 first followed by 27. We change the order of 19 and 35 whereas 42 and 44 are places. Here there is a change in this sublist. Here 10 and 27s are interchanged. In the next iteration of the combining phase, we compare lists of two data values and merge them into a list of found data values, placing all in a sorted order. Here we get the second sorted list. 10, 14, 27, 33, these are merged. 19, 35, 42, 44, these are also sorted. After final merging, we get our final sorted list, that is 10, 14, 19, 27, 33, 34, 35, 42, 44. This is in the ascending order. Merge sort keeps on dividing the list into equal halves until it can have no more be divided. By definition, if it is only one element in the list, it is sorted. Then merge sort combines the smaller sorted list, keeping the new list sorted too. Thank you everyone.